Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will solve one example of k nearest neighbor algorithm. So the question is, apply k nearest neighbor algorithm and predict the type of fruit or food type to which tomato belongs. So for this we are having some instances, total 4 instances are there. We are having name of ingredient and sweet and crunch values are there, and based on that food type is decided. So grape is of fruit type, grape bean is of vegetable type, orange is of fruit type. Now what we have to decide is whether tomato belongs to fruit, whether tomato belongs to vegetable, or whether tomato belongs to protein. For that we have to consider these values. Now first step is decide k. So k is the number of nearest neighbor. Suppose I am deciding k is equal to 3. So what it means, I have to consider 3 nearest instances. Second is calculate Euclidean distance from every instance to this instance. So for this, for first we have to consider, so x1 means first value of sweet 8 minus value of sweet of tomato 6 square plus 5 minus 4 square. So you will be getting the value as a root 5 and the answer for this will be 2.23. Same, calculate the Euclidean distance of second instance with this. So 3 minus 6 square plus 7 minus 4 square. So value for this will be 18 and answer for this will be 4.24. Now calculate the Euclidean distance of instance 3. So 3 minus 6 square plus 6 minus 4 square. So for this 13 will be the value and the answer for this will be 3.60. Next, for fourth instance, 7 minus 6 square plus 3 minus 4 square. So value for this will be 2 and answer is 1.40. So this is the second step in which we have calculate Euclidean distance of every instance with this instance tomato. Now the third step is give the rank. For giving rank you have to make a table like sweet, crunch, distance and rank. So 8, 5, instance number 1 we will write here like instance I1, I2, I3 and I4. So for 8, 5, 3, 7, 3, 6 and 7, 3. So the distances calculated are 2.23, 4.24, 3.60 and 1.41. So on the basis of that, what you have to consider, the minimum distance you have to give the rank first. So this I4 is having minimum distance with the tomato, so this will be the rank 1. I1 is having second rank, I3 is having third rank and I2 is having 4 rank. Now as we are having k is equal to 3, we have to consider first 3 ranks classes. See, fourth step is we have to check the classes. First rank is of I4 and I4 is having class fruit. Second rank is of I1, I1 is having class fruit. Third rank is of I3 having class protein. We are not going for fourth rank as our value of k is 3. So we will consider only 3 instances, and in this we have to consider the maximum possible class. So now the tomato belongs to class fruit. As our k is equal to 3, we have considered 3 instances, and the which one is having higher voting we have to consider that class as a class of tomato. Now the class of tomato is fruit. Thank you.